Assalamu alaikum. You're watching The Guided Voice, where reminders hit the heart, not just the ears. If this message moves you, inspires you, or makes you think twice about who you are, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because together we're reviving what it truly means to be guided. Now, let's talk about what it really means to be a man. Not every guy with a beard and deep voice is a man. Some are just boys, trapped in adult bodies, playing grown-up games in a broken world. Young brother, don't let the streets sell you a fake badge of honor. The Deen doesn't just build men, it refines them. They turn lions into lost cubs, confused, angry, empty. See, in Arabic, every male is a Dakar, but a real man, a Rajil. That's a title you earn, and not everyone's built for it. You want to know who the real men are? They're the ones who can stare down a storm and not blink. They swallow rage when it burns in their throat. They wait, they endure, they hold back. That's not weakness, that's willpower. You can deadlift 150 kg and snap it for the gram, but can't lift your blanket for Fajr. Let's talk real. A man isn't made in the gym, not by his biceps, not by his body count. He's made in the quiet battles, the ones no one sees, the late night struggle to lower his gaze, the early morning fight to pray on time, the daily war to stay honest when no one's watching. Being a man is not a vibe, it's a decision. It's showing up when it's hard, it's sacrificing when it's silent, it's keeping your word even when it hurts. Let me tell you something. You can't have both worlds. You can't chase every desire and expect Jannah on a silver platter. You've heard the saying, right? You can't have your cake and eat it too. Well, here's the truth. The Sahaba, they only wanted one thing, Jannah. That was it. So we want Jannah, and the haram, and the shortcuts, and the likes, and the lifestyle. That's the difference. A real man is grounded. He doesn't chase fairy tales. He knows when I marry, I commit. When I promise, I follow through. When I raise kids, I raise souls, not just feed mouths. You love women, so do I. But are you ready to lead one in marriage? Or just use and leave her in pieces? You want kids? That's cute. But can you father them? Can you teach a son how to pray? Can you protect a daughter's heart? We love the idea of responsibility until it actually asks for sacrifice. We love money, but hate working for it. So we sell poison and call it hustle. We say we love Allah, but we avoid His path like it's a burden. Nowadays, everybody's got this phrase on standby. Don't judge me, bro. You don't know my heart. You're right, I don't know what's in your heart, but your actions are screaming louder than your chest can whisper. We claim we love the Prophet Immaculate, but hate waking up for Fajr. We want Jannah, but we fear death more than sin. So I ask you again, is that manhood or just noise? The Imas, not starving for knowledge. Knowledge is everywhere. Books, clips, reels, one scroll, and you've got 100 fatwas in your pocket. But what we are starving for is men, not influencers, not keyboard warriors. Men, and when men disappear, guess who suffers? The women, the kids, the innocent. You leave the throne empty, the snakes slither in. The world only heals when the men rise. So ask yourself tonight, are you just a male, or are you a man? May Allah raise men from this ummah, men who carry truth like a sword, men who walk the earth with mercy, but fight for the den like lions. Amen.